something that my grandmother used to make all the time. My husband's grandmother made it all the time as well. My mom, however, just buys it at the store, but I'm not going to the store, so I've decided to try and make it myself. It is called Mlinci. It is almost like a pasta type of texture, but it looks totally different. So you usually serve it, you make it inside the drippings of turkey or pork roast if you're making that. So after you're done cooking your meat, you remove it and you add this stuff into it. So let's get started. You will need 1/2 kilogram of pasta. Then you need some oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, pinch of salt, and I think that's it, and 1 egg. Yes, and then you're gonna add a little bit of water, and I am going to use my mixer, which is, I'm sure my grandmother would not approve, but I will use my mixer with the dough hook to make the dough. And you add a little bit of water until you reach a smooth dough consistency. Just about done. So I have separated it into little pieces, and I'm going to roll them out using my marble rolling pin, and you want to put some flour so it doesn't stick. You want to roll it out to about 2 millimeter thickness, which I think I'm about there. Now it goes into the oven at 200 until it's completely dry and turning yellow. So I had made another batch of dough because the other one was a little bit thick. I just want to give this one a try. I'm going to run it through my soup noodle maker. So I put it on 1 and then I work my way to 5. 1 is the thickest, and then 6 is the thinnest, but I only do it up until number 5. So here they are. I decided to make them on my cast iron flat top. There are some that are already made. So these are the ones that I did on the flat top. They look much better. They're thinner, and I just have to wait for them to cool off and break them up and put them in a bag. And these are the ones from the oven. These were a little bit thicker. So note to self, do them through the pasta machine and on the cooktop. Much better result. This is more like what my grandmother's looked like. And then tomorrow I'm going to finish it off. So I boiled some water and I had added them all into the boiling water, and it has to sit for 10 minutes before I add them to the drippings. Here they are all mixed up. They taste delicious. So I would like to thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and a notification bell. And until next time, hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you.